Oh my god, it's really wet.
Morning, this is day 3 of our trip through Ardennen. We're still in Givet in France. We're staying along the Maas River. So the plan for today is at first that we're gonna drive to a place called Dinant, which is half an hour north from here. On the way we're gonna stop at a little chateau, a nice castle, have a look at that before we continue our way on. And then we're gonna see from there. We have a 2-hour drive plan, and then after that we have to probably jump on the motorway and see where we get to.
Good morning. Just leaving the township of Givet. This charming little, well, charming is not the right word. I would say like desperately wanting to be charming, but you know, there's a lot of abandonment vibes going on. And that border town, we're in the north of France, very north of France. There's a little sort of outcrop of land where we're driving through now. Out to the north of us, or to the front of us, there is Belgium is just a few kilometers away. To the left of us, Belgium is a few kilometers away, and to the right of us, Belgium is a few kilometers away. And we're just about to cross the border, and somewhere around here is that border. We'll cross, and we're on route. Is this the border? Yes, oui, the border, Belgique. There we go. We're the douane belge, douane belge, it's sort of shut-ish. And here we are in Belgium. Yes, as I was saying, we're en route to a little, well, actually, we're en route to Dinant, which is along the river. Meuse, which is out here to our left-hand side, flows in a northerly direction. And so Dinant is where we're going to be making our first real stop, but we are going to make a little stop on the way at a chateau, fortress type of thing. That's where we're going to now. You can actually see here in front of us, there's hills. So that's the banks of the river up there in front of us. So the river is just flowing, meandering its way to the north. Just down here. We'll catch up to that river later on, once we get to Dinant. This is the Meuse River. The Meuse is the French pronunciation, and Maas is the Dutch pronunciation, and that flows north through through here where we are, through Dinant up into Namur. Does it go through Liège? I think it goes through Liège, and then into the Netherlands and Maastricht, where it becomes the Maas. And then it keeps on it's already the Maas, yes. It flows, when it crosses the border, it becomes the Maas, and that river keeps flowing and joins up to the delta system in the Netherlands, the river delta, where the Rhine and the Maas basically sort of flow in, I don't want to say unison, but pretty much it is. They are not far away from each other through the Rhine and Maas delta out to the North Sea.
Pretty steep. And typically Belgium, shitty road.
Yeah, come on.
That's not too bad actually.
The shitty road can be here.
Yeah, that's really nice here. I'm really happy that the sun is out today. It makes it
Like in a little shire. Oh, did I see it? No, I didn't see it.
Oh! Fuck.
There's the bus. This is the fucking bus. And
Oh
the
no.
truck.
And the bus doesn't look like it's doing so well. Oh no, what's going on? What's all that smoke out of the bus? Is that just from the engine? Fuck. I don't think we go past it. That's too, no. There's another truck in front of that.
There's 2 trucks there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Fuck. Now what? Just driving back now to the main road. See if there's another way to get there. But I don't know. No, there's no way for the bus to turn around. They're stuck. It's a bus with kids. There's like 6 trucks in front of the bus as well. There's gotta be another way. There's no way that this bus goes back the same way, do you think? Well, if it runs into another bus, then you're fucked.
This does look like a road that when it ends there's a castle. That's just the type of road. Very much has to be a castle at the end of the road type of road. Getting a bit more darker and a bit more sinister. Isn't it? It's going down, dropping down a lot. Merci à vous. Thank you. This looks like it's a really old farm.
Well, that was totally worth the little struggle to get here. What a cool castle. Oh my god, that was so pretty. Really impressive. Found this little road that leads to somebody's property. I think the manager of the castle probably. So you just walk over the river and then it just appears out of the blue. It's a really big castle on the cliff. That was really cool. That was a good stop. Right, so next stop is Dinant. We're gonna drive along the river a little bit further. Stop in Dinant probably for some lunch, and then we recalibrate from there. See what we're gonna do after that.
Let's catch up. Going up to the right, right? Yeah. Cool as. Have you not been to Dinant before? Yeah, Dinant is quite an interesting place. He waited for you, but not for me. Now down to your right, just down to your right if you can, and then stop. And I'll stop somewhere up here on your right hand side by that Dinant sign. Oh yeah, that's fine as well. Because
Netherlands.
there it is. What a tiny sign.
That's
It's like
really
30
small.
and there's a pub right on the border.
Cafe in Holland.
Cafe in Holland.
Okay, we're back into our own country. Back onto smooth roads is what you would expect. That's a really small sign. I've never seen a sign saying that you're entering another country that's so little.
It's like 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters.
Yeah, that's so. Oh my god,
Cute.
that's so cute. Okay, so we're back in Holland, the Netherlands.
Actually, we're not in Holland at all.
Okay, more.
We're in Brabant, right?
Yeah.
Man, it looks like Belgium here.
Oh, it almost is Belgium. Just across the border.
Just over the border.
It's a bit of a peculiar place to live, I guess. If you're sort of half.
Yeah, border people.
Yeah.
Oh,
Half living there, half living here. But we are in the Netherlands.
there you go. Now this looks like the Netherlands.
Does look like the Netherlands. The road looks like it's the Netherlands.
Yeah.
That little
Feels
piece
like
was
it.
sort of still part of Belgium, it seemed.
Yeah, it feels like the Netherlands. This feels so much smoother.
Hey, are we now in Belgium again? We're in Belgium again. We're in Belgium. Oh my god, we're in Belgium again. Oh, that's so funny. But we were just in the Netherlands, now we're in Belgium. Well, okay. So we're like 16 minutes away from the first township from where we crossed the border, Zindert. Well, the first proper township. There's a little village here. And we're gonna make a little stop there and reassess. Because I think from there onwards, we're just gonna jump on the motorway. It's gonna be 1 hour and 15 minutes from there. Which I think is what we will do, because the time now is 5 o'clock. And, well, yeah, it cools down quickly. So I think we're just gonna jump on the motorway and do the last boring part.